Mascara is essential for all of you that wants to make the most out of your eyes. Even though I'm sure that you use it every day, I'm going to give you a few tips that makes your lashes even more fantastic. We're going to start by curling the lashes. This will open up your eyes and give your lashes a more doll-like finish. I usually curl them 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Choose mascara depending on your lashes and what kind of look you want to achieve. If you want volume, lengthened, separated, or curled lashes. And when you apply the mascara, don't just think that you apply it from the roots and out. Think that you divide the lash line into 3 parts. An inner one, a middle one, and an outer one. Apply the mascara on the inner one towards the nose, on the middle part straight up, and to the outer part straight out towards your ear. This is going to create a more fan-like effect to your lashes. So when I apply the mascara, I start with the inner corner of the eye and I brush towards the nose. Then I work myself towards the middle, where I stop brushing towards the nose. Instead, I'm starting to brush upwards. Then I work myself slowly out to the outer part of the lash line, where I start to brush the lashes straight out. Then I go back again, start brushing straight up in the middle, and when I come to the inner corner of the nose, I brush the lashes towards the nose. Last step when I apply the mascara is the lower lashes. I apply them after I apply on the upper lashes because I don't want as much product on the brush as I want when I apply it on the upper lashes. I want it to feel a little bit softer and a little bit more natural. So I don't re-dip the brush, I just use the mascara that's left on the brush.